Assalamualaikum, what's up guys, hopefully you are all fine. So today I'm back with another interesting video. This video is going to be very interesting, as in this video I'm going to unbox a mobile phone that is Redmi 14C 5G. I have actually purchased it in purple color, and this mobile looks very beautiful as far as the looks are concerned. Inside the box you are going to get 33-watt charger, and it has been mentioned on the box as well that 33-watt charger is actually included in the box, free of cost for the rupees 1999. And there is a slight disappointment from Redmi that there is no pre-applied screen protector as well as there is no cover. So I requested this shopkeeper to please provide me the same free of cost. So he has promised me to provide me these two freebies free of cost. So we will show you the installation of tempered glass as well as the cover in the later part of the video. So let me set this thing up. This mobile works on Android 15 HyperOS, and the processor used is Snapdragon 4 Gen 2. It has a normal IPS display. There is no Super AMOLED display, so display is not that great, and camera is okayish, I must say. So let me show you the first look of this particular device. This is available in multicolors, but I like this one. This is the purple color variant and it's so shiny, and I like the camera module as well. So as promised, let me show you the installation of tempered glass. So what we need to do is to align the edges and corners of the tempered glass with that of the display and ensure that there is no dust particle on top of the display, and we need to push down the bubbles from the tempered glass. So this is the proper procedure I am going to show you. So I think we are good to go, as we have actually aligned the edges and corners of the tempered glass with that of the display. So we need to push air bubbles. Now it's the time to show you the cover. This is the transparent cover, and it is not recommended because it will become pale after a few days, but in order to protect our device from accidental falls and scratches, we need to apply some sort of cover. So this is the final look of this particular device. So I must say that the overall look has been enhanced. So that's it for now guys, hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and be blessed always.